Hey, it's Wolfpack, but today I'm going to be a lone wolf. Today I'm going to show you my brother's Nerf wall, and it's super cool. My dad made it, and I'll just tell you how he made it while I'm doing this. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Super cool, huh? So, we had a bunch of Nerf guns, and we didn't have a place to put it since we rearranged their room. And so we had to make a place for them, and so my brother didn't want to give them away or anything, so my dad said, I'll make you a rack for it. So he got, like, you know, at the stores, like Toot and Totem or something, they have, like, those racks that hold, like, the Sour Patch Kids and the chips and everything like that, and I had a little hole. Well, he got one of those from my grandpa's shop, and he got those little things that hold them, and he just put them on there. See, look. See, look here, there's one of them right there. And as you can tell, he just painted it black with spray paint so that it would look better in the room, because it was like a grayish, like a really ugly gray. So, like, yeah, so he did that, and he just, like, spray painted it all black, and he put those boards, see, I don't know if you can see, those boards behind it so that it wouldn't, like, jack up the whole thing, so that he could, like, screw it in there and stuff without, like, jacking it up, you know, I think. So, like, all he did was he measured it, sort of, like, he got the gun, put it up there where it got, and then stuck those little things on there, and put the gun on the holder. That's what he did for all of them, and it's actually a really easy project. It took him less than a day, and so, yeah, he put it up today, and it's pretty sick, huh? So, but, yeah, that's my brother's bed. It just got made. It doesn't really look at nice. This is my brother's room. That's what they like to look at night. And that's what my brother likes to look at night, too. So, Lone Wolf today, out. Oh, wait, and subscribe. Sorry. And hit that thumbs button because I love my fam. So, bye.